It's mostly the son's fault, not the daughter-in-law's. The atmosphere in Parveen Begum's house was always tense. The daughter-in-law, Hira, often found herself targeted due to her behavior. Parveen believed that Hira did not show the respect in regard to her elders that was expected of a daughter-in-law. But Hira was not the root of the problem. The real issue was their son, Ayan, who neither treated his parents with respect nor felt the need to teach his wife to respect them. Ayan's behavior. Ayan had always been his own master. Ignoring his parents' advice and believing he was always right had become a habit. If Parveen Begum said something, he would brush it off with a sarcastic smile. "Mom, you're stuck in old ways," he would often reply. Hira, observing her husband's behavior and following in his footsteps, slowly adopted the same attitude. She reasoned that if Ayan himself didn't value his mother's words, why should she? One day at the dining table, Parveen said something to Ayan, and he angrily snapped, "Mom, why do you keep complaining all the time? Just live peacefully." Hira, sitting nearby, remained silent. She thought, if Ayan can speak to his mother like this, why shouldn't I? Escalating conflict. Over time, Parveen Begum noticed that Hira's demeanor had grown as cold as Ayan's. One day she confronted Hira and said, "Dear, we've always treated you like a daughter, but why don't you show us respect?" Hira shrugged and replied, "Mom, I just do what Ayan does. If he doesn't think it's important to listen to you, why should I?" This reply shattered Parveen. She realized that her son's carelessness and lack of respect had not only hurt her, but had also poisoned the atmosphere of the house. The start of change. One day Sana, Parveen's daughter, approached her and said, "Mom, the issue isn't Hira. It's Ayan. If he treated you with respect, Hira would learn the same. When the son doesn't honor his parents, how can you expect the daughter-in-law to do so?" Parveen Begum reflected on this and decided to talk to Ayan. "Ayan, my son," she gently said one day, "your behavior hurts us deeply. If you want your wife to respect us, you must first set an example yourself." Ayan, who usually ignored his mother's words, listened silently this time. Resolution. Gradually, Ayan began to work on his behavior. He started treating his parents with more love and respect. Hira, influenced by her husband's actions, also began changing her attitude. Parveen Begum finally felt peace, and the atmosphere at home began to improve. She realized that a daughter-in-law's behavior is often a reflection of the son's. When a son honors his parents, the daughter-in-law naturally follows. Moral of the story: the peace and respect in a household depend largely on the son's behavior. If he treats his parents with love and respect, it positively influences the daughter-in-law as well.